Commodity packaging in export business in Nigeria is what I'm talking to you about at this time. Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing how to do commodity packaging in export business in Nigeria. As you may know, exporting commodities is a lucrative business in Nigeria and can be a great way to earn foreign exchange. However, to succeed in the export business, it is important to properly package your commodities to meet international standards. So, in this video, we will take you through the steps involved in commodity packaging for export. Number one, step one is sorting and grading. Before you start packaging your commodities, it is important to sort and grade them according to their size, according to their shape, according to their color, according to their quality, and you sort and grade. Sorting and grading, this ensures that only the best quality products are exported, making them more competitive in the international market. The importance of sorting and grading cannot be emphasized. There have been reports that some Nigerians, they play hide and seek with yam that they are exporting. At a point, Nigerian yam was in high demand. Later on, these people started using chemical to plant their yam, so that after a few months, the yam gets black when it is cut. So what happened? They started rejecting Nigerian yam and they started asking for specific grades or specific checks. So please, anything you are doing for export, make sure it is the best. Be diligent, be honest, and you are going to make your money and you are going to be patronized. Step number two is cleaning and drying. After sorting and grading, the next step is to clean and dry the commodities. This process involves removing any foreign materials, dirt or debris from the products. This is done to prevent contamination during transportation and to maintain the quality of the commodities. Number three is packaging. The packaging is the most crucial step in commodity packaging for export. Proper packaging ensures that the commodities remain fresh and protected during transportation. The packaging materials should be durable and of high quality. The packaging should also be suitable for the type of commodity being packaged. For instance, fruits and vegetables may require different packaging materials compared to grains or seeds. Step number four is labeling and marking. After packaging, labeling and marking the commodities are the final steps in commodity packaging. Labels should include product name, the weight, country of origin, and other relevant information required by the importing country. Additionally, you should mark the packages with the shipping information, such as the name of the importer and the destination address. In conclusion, commodity packaging is a critical aspect of exporting in Nigeria. Proper sorting, grading, cleaning, packaging, labeling, and marking are key to successfully exporting commodities. It is also essential to adhere to international standards and regulations to ensure that the commodities meet the required standards of the importing country. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and share it with others. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and you are going to be glad you did. Now, this video that is popping up right now is the next you need to go and see. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.